welcome to day 3 of the Festive 500. Today I'm on the gravel bike, heading out towards Leechtown on the Galloping Goose. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to spend the rest of the Festive 500 on the gravel bike, whether that's on the road or the gravel. Yeah, and that's because those brake problems I had on the first day, which you would have saw, which is fun. Yeah, and my shop is not open until next year, literally. So on the gravel bike we'll go. So yeah, I'll catch up to you in a bit. Lots of debris and fallen trees on the goose out here. There was lots of mountain biking yesterday too, so all this snow, Victoria's not prepared for it.
Okay, I'm gonna jump it.
It's getting ridiculous. How many trees do we have to climb over? It's like the third, fourth one now we've climbed over.
On to the next one.
Maybe I should have kept the tire pressure lower. And now we're riding through snow and slush. It's a bit of a journey to get to the red gate at this point, much more so than usual. The ride out to the red gate was a lot more challenging than normal with all the trees we had to hike over constantly. Yeah, lots of debris from that snow with the wind on it. Doesn't help, so time to head back and hike over the trees all over again. On the home stretch, and yeah, this is the end of this part of the video. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow for the next Next part, day 4 of the Festive 500 tomorrow. It was a good day on the gravel, another 100 kilometers. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 4 of the Festive 500. First off, sorry if the audio sounds bad. It's windy and rain is in the forecast, so I couldn't use my microphone adapter for the GoPro because it's not water resistant. Today's route will follow the same route as the first day. Just a good way to get it done. Feeling pretty sore and tired today, so just looking to get through it. I'm sure tomorrow will be a bit better. Usually by 4 or 5 days in, I usually start getting into a rhythm. So I think I'm just about to hit that, but probably tomorrow. The only difference between today and the first day is I'm on the cross bike. So a lot more resistance with the gravel tires. I bumped it off a lot, but still not gonna be. Next up is King George Terrace. And yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera away and I'll catch up to you in a bit. I'm 40 kilometers into the ride. Definitely getting there. Feeling pretty good. In a good rhythm. So yeah, keep plugging away. And that's halfway. Only another 50K to go. No real rain yet, so pretty happy about that. And the rain has begun. It's supposed to rain a decent amount this week, so might as well get used to it if I'm going to ride in it tomorrow and the next day. Cruising along the airport, feeling pretty tired. Legs feel pretty blocky. Not the greatest of feelings, but I'm sure I'll get back into the rhythm soon. It's very windy. Like full on headwind, so I'm sure that's part of it as well. It's hard to feel good by pushing into a headwind in the rain. Hello, another update. It's a lot windier now. So much so I don't know how this audio's doing. Yeah, it's gotten pretty rough out here in the open on the farm fields again. Bit of a slog. Oh yeah. I mean, and the rain's still here. It's not terrible, but it's a bit of a feeling. On the final stretch home now. Just on the Goose again. Only a couple K left. Another 100 kilometers in the bank. Exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, rain's increasing, but I'm not too worried about it. I got good clothes on. Yeah. See you tomorrow for day 5 of Festive 500.